Hello, boys and girls. This is Aunt Kimmy coming to you today, talking to you about some dental care. Now, first of all, why am I Aunt Kimmy? Well, guess what? I am Mrs. Snyder's sister, and I am a dental hygienist, and she asked me if I would come on here and talk to you guys about taking good care of your teeth and the importance. So that's what we're gonna do today. And guess what? It's even more important now because you guys are home more. I know you're not in school right now, but luckily you have Mrs. Snyder helping you with so many things. And it's very important because you're probably snacking more and maybe your schedule's a little bit different. And it's gonna be super important to still take care of your teeth. So first of all, let's talk about how many times a day you should brush. So it is really important that you are brushing every single morning and every single night. Now, with being home, you are extra lucky because now you get to brush a third time. You get to brush after you eat lunch. So I want you to make Aunt Kimmy super happy and brush every morning when you wake up after you eat breakfast. And I want you to brush every day after lunch and then again right before you go to bed. Now, don't brush at night and then go eat something because that defeats the whole purpose and you'll have sugar bugs on your teeth the whole time you sleep. So what's a sugar bug? A sugar bug is something that's soft and sticky and it gets on your teeth. And after a while, it starts to eat at your teeth and make little holes in your teeth. We don't want that. It hurts sometimes and then you have to go to the dentist and fix it. And we don't want all the sugar bugs in our mouth. We want to have a nice clean mouth. So something really important to know is you're going to use a soft toothbrush, all right? Now, you're not going to use your brother's toothbrush or your sister's toothbrush. You have to have your own, okay? It's really important not to share your toothbrush. And what you're going to do is you're going to put a little bit of toothpaste on there. Don't put a whole bunch, all right? You're actually just going to put like a little pea size, just like that. That might be a little too much for your little mouth, but you're not going to put a whole bunch on there. And you're going to brush every morning for 2 whole minutes. So what you're going to do is you're going to start and you're going to work on your whole upper left side. And you're going to count all the way to 30. Can you do that? I think you can because Mrs. Snyder probably already taught you how. And you're going to get the cheek side, the part you chew on, and the inside. You're going to brush your gums. And you're going to go all around that upper left area for 30 seconds. Count all the way to 30. When you're done doing that, guess what? You're going to start all over and count again to 30. And you're going to brush your lower left. You're going to get your cheek side, the part you chew on. You got to get all those bumps and grooves clean. You're going to get the inside, get the front. Make sure you brush your gums. And then you're going to do the same thing. Count to 30 on the upper right. When you're done with that, you're almost done with everything. You'll count to 30 for the lower right. And then guess what? Don't forget your tongue. You have to brush your tongue at the end. Count to 10 and brush your tongue, go back and forth. Get all of the sugar bugs off of everything. Super important. Now, sometimes when you brush, you might have a little bit of blood in the sink. So it's okay. You don't freak out. Don't stop brushing your teeth just because you see a little bit of blood. What that is your body telling you that you have a little bit of an infection and you haven't been doing a very good job brushing. So you need to brush more often and you need to make sure you're counting all the way to 30 in each area and brushing your gums. The other thing you need to do, and you might have to ask a parent for help or an adult, is you need to have your teeth flossed right before you go to bed, okay? So ask an adult for some help because it's kind of tricky to do at your age and you might not get the floss right between your teeth where it needs to be. So if your teeth touch, which a lot of them do in the back at your age, you need to make sure you get the floss in there every night before you go to sleep. So everyone, I want you to know the importance of taking good care of your teeth. Your smile will be brighter and cleaner, and you will be healthier. So make sure you're brushing every morning after breakfast for 2 minutes, every day after lunch for 2 minutes, and at night before you go to bed for 2 minutes. Mrs. Snyder will be so super proud of you, and so will Aunt Kimmy. All right, let's take good care of our teeth, and you guys all have a wonderful day.